everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to exfoliate your skin, how to get rid of blackheads, whitehead, large pores, and also how to get clean, clear, bright, radiant, glowing skin. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing facial exfoliator that you can use on the skin, your face, your neck, and décolleté to lighten and brighten, and also, guys, to tighten and firm the skin. This is a simple recipe that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button so that you will get a notification every time I post a video. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Our first ingredient is gonna be rice. And rice is rich in antioxidant that will help to lighten, brighten, tighten, and firm the skin. Rice water have been used for centuries on the skin. Today we are going to be using the rice as an exfoliator to exfoliate the skin of dead skin cells, to get rid of blackheads and whitehead, to help to shrink large pores, to get rid of sebum from the skin, excess sebum that is, and we're also using it as a skin firming ingredient. So what we're going to do with this rice, we are going to be blending. So let's reach for our blender and we're going to pour about 3 tablespoons of the rice. We're using white rice today. If you have purple rice or black rice, go ahead and use it in this recipe. Now my next ingredient is going to be flax seeds. Flax seed is rich in antioxidant, help to nourish and protects, boosts collagen and elastin in the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. These are jam-packed with nutrients that are great for the skin, whether you're going to use it as a facial scrub or you're going to use it to make facial moisturizer and serums. So we're going to reach back for our blender with the rice and we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of the flaxseed to the rice. And what we're going to do, we are going to blend this dry ingredient together. So let's reach for the cover. We're going to cover and we're going to blend it to a fine granule. Give it a little shake. We're going to place it in our blender and we're going to blend. Take a look. Here we have our blended flaxseed and rice. And now we're going to put this together. So we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of the blended mixture. We're going to reach for some milk. Milk is rich in lactic acid. Milk will help to exfoliate the skin. It will also help to hydrate the skin and it will leave the skin just looking soft and supple. So today we're using a fresh milk. However, you can use soy milk, even almond milk in this recipe. So we're going to start out with about a tablespoon of the milk. Next, we are going to reach for some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to lighten, brighten, and clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. It also helps to cool the skin. So we're using about 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel. Next, I'm going to reach for some oils, and you can choose to add any of your favorite oils to this recipe. You can add aloe vera oil, you can add grapeseed oil, you can add pomegranate seed oil, or even some apricot oil. Rosehip seed oil, papaya seed oil, just add your favorite oil. You can choose to add either 1 or 2 of this oil. So I am going to be using a little bit of my pomegranate seed oil. We're not using a lot of oil in this. So I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. Next, I'm going to reach for some apricot seed oil and I'm using the same amount. So I'm going to be using about half a teaspoon of the apricot oil, pouring that in. If you're interested in these oils, you can find them on my website, ALESMAXii.com. And now we are going to mix this in. Totally mix it in. Now, if it need more milk, go ahead and add the milk to it. Add a little extra milk. I'm going to tip just a wee bit more of the milk, about a teaspoon more. And I'm just going to mix in. And this smells amazing. You can smell the flax seeds in it. And now this is done. This is ready to use on your skin. You can use this on your face, your neck, and décolleté. Take a small amount of the mixture, and let me go ahead and put some in my hands for you to see. We're pouring this in, and take a look at that. And then you're going to use it, just rub it in your hands like this, and you're going to use it to exfoliate your face. So take it to your face, and you are going to exfoliate your cheeks. You're going to exfoliate your forehead. Don't let this one get in your eyes. You are just going to exfoliate, exfoliate. And this is also good to go down on the neck and décolleté. So go ahead and exfoliate for about 2 to 3 minutes. Focusing on the area where you have the most problem, like on your jaw, if you have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads. And also focus on your nose, if you have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads there also. Your forehead, just exfoliate your entire skin. And the fragrance from this smells good, so you're going to be enjoying this. So go ahead, exfoliate, exfoliate, and once that is done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to rinse off, preferably with room temperature water. Rinse off, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite facial toner, your favorite facial serum, and your favorite facial moisturizer. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator, and when this is done, go ahead and make a new batch. Use this 2 to 3 times per week for best result.